Press the controller on the back of the handle, lift the handle, and release it to fix the position. Align the buckle and install the sewage tank. Tighten the suction pipe and vacuum pipe. Unscrew the screw on the back of the machine to open the power box. Gently move the sewage tank cover back, but be careful not to remove it forcefully, because there is a vacuum water pipe connected to it. Lift up the machine and the battery box cover, and connect the power supply. Install the power screws and restore the sewage tank cover. Open the water tank cover and fill it with water. The exposed part is the filter. It is normal to filter out impurities in the clean water to avoid clogging the pipe. Brush the floor and absorb water. At the same time, clean as you go. Add detergent for better effect. After use, the sewage pipe can be removed to discharge the sewage.